Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer SDR to HDR using DaVinci Resolve tools. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by launching DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one that contains your SDR footage. Import your SDR footage into the media pool. Once imported, drag your SDR clip onto the timeline. Select the clip in the timeline to make adjustments. Navigate to the color workspace at the bottom of the interface. In the color workspace, you'll see the color wheels panel on the right. Adjust the lift, gamma, and gain controls to enhance the overall brightness and contrast of your SDR clip. Move to the offset control to fine-tune the color balance. To target specific colors, use the qualifier tool to isolate areas you want to enhance. Select the key you wish to manipulate and refine it with the controls provided. Next, to enhance the dynamic range, utilize the Curves panel. Create an S-curve to accentuate highlights and deepen shadows. Once satisfied with the adjustments, switch to the HDR palette. In the HDR palette, check the HDR scopes to monitor your adjustments visually. Use the sliders to expand the dynamic range according to your preference. Pay attention to the color space settings. Make sure you convert your clip to the proper HDR format, such as Rec. 2020. Next, navigate to the Deliver page to export your footage. Select the appropriate settings for HDR delivery format, ensuring HDR metadata is enabled. Choose your desired output location and file name. Finally, click on the Add to Render Queue button and then hit Start Render. After the rendering process is complete, review your HDR. Congratulations on successfully transferring SDR to HDR using DaVinci Resolve tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.